perspective before by the term point of view. I'm not a big fan of the term point of view. I find it a little bit unwieldy to use. So I often use narrative perspective. It also makes me sound more intelligent. So always use that when you can. Sorry? Exactly. When you can use terminology that's specific and makes other people fear you, that's always good. So if you hear me using narrative perspective, I'm talking about what you commonly refer to as point of view. And here's your definition: the view from which the narrator tells the story. You always have a narrator in a story. Narrator is somebody who is telling the story. From which vantage point or viewpoint are they telling the story? Where are they in the story? Are they in the story? Are they outside of the story? Everything must be seen from a certain perspective. Some principles. Important principles to remember. Remember, you got the definition, and then I'm going to emphasize some important facts about the definition. Narrative perspectives can shift. You can move from one perspective to the next. I've seen novels that are told where every chapter shifts to a different first-person perspective from a different character in the story. No, Star Wars keeps a pretty consistent perspective throughout the film. I'm sorry? Oh, yes, I do believe. I didn't see. Hold on. Shh. No. Hold on. Wow, there was a lot of good information that just came at us lightning fast. And first of all, Todd, you're talking about something that would be excellent to bring into tomorrow's perspective connections discussion. But Vantage Point, I believe, is the film. I've not seen it. But the same story is told several times from different points of view. This is shifting narrative perspective. This is where you have the story told from this point of view, and then from this point of view, and then from this point of view. By the way, if you guys are asking questions, great. If you're saying, oh yeah, like this, put your hands down. That's what tomorrow's all about. Come on, you got material for tomorrow. You're halfway through tomorrow's activity. Narrators are not always reliable. We do not always believe narrators. Oh, wait until next year. Junior year American Lit, you're going to meet some narrators who are completely unreliable. Some of them are technically insane. If you read One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, you'll have a narrator who's not only schizophrenic, but is on psychotropic drugs a lot of the time. Oh, it's a wonderful novel. It's fantastic. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, great narrator. Is he reliable? Is he not? Do we trust him? Do we understand the story when he's relating it? Big questions. Thankfully, freshman, sophomore year, you have a lot of narrators who are reliable. So we don't have all that much of a problem. But next year will be interesting. All right, 4 narrative perspective, 4 voices in which you can tell a story. Somebody want to give me all 4? Haven? First person. Second person.
Wait, yeah, right? Third person.
Haven, you're so close. Yeah.
Third person limited, and one is like God or something.
One is like God or something. Yes, absolutely correct. One is like God or something, Phil. One is omniscient, right? Omniscient. God as a narrator, that'd be interesting. I'm not sure I've ever seen that done. That's right. I'm sorry? Oh, yeah, but that's different because you don't really see that person as God. You see them as a regular person. So it depends. It don't. Yeah, I know, but. All right.